I kind of get to saying, you know, we should definitely be celebrating Halloween in August here in Florida, but damn. It's about 3:21 in the afternoon, and it's still raining. It's been raining all day. Our first steps at Universal, and look at this, the Halloween Horror Nights I'm Drunk 10 is up. I love seeing it. Dead Coconut coming soon at Universal. And it looks like these walls have been really pushed out a lot now for this new quote-unquote rumored Super Nintendo store and a Butterbeer store. Kind of curious to see about that one. Nothing yet for Horror Nights. Still Despicable 4 stuff. I wish you guys could have seen what I just saw just turning the corner here. I want to pause and get a little closer for you guys. Well, this is a really good morning to see this now. It's actually weird this year because you got Universal Monsters, Eternal Blood, Ghostbusters Frozen Empire, The Medallion, A Quiet Place, and Insidious. And that's it. Normally there's 5 properties, this are licensed properties, but this time around there's only 4 because the rest are going to be the ones that Universal builds up by themselves. So really cool to see this. Oh yes, it's spooky time. They already have it decorated with I believe the 2 icons for this year. The house entrance is right here. I don't think there's a sign there because I can see straight through it, so I guess this is probably Might Be Monstrous. By the way, newest Minion ride, 5 minutes, walk on. Minion Mayhem, 50. I wonder which one's still more popular. We have another one. I like the look of it too. Still don't know what's where though. And as we do walk up onto the Insidious booth, they have added onto it as well with the menu. Nothing yet though. The lights do light up on the door. Looks like a Fanta one at bar here now. Some punk rock. Looks really cool. While it takes over the Transformers queuing. As with the Stay Puft guys, they're now taking kind of over here. You see Slimer somewhat. He's probably gonna go at nighttime. Ghostbusters sign. Keep walking all the way down, and it's like they're adding on to these booths as we speak about it. It looks really cool. I like the attention to detail. Loving all this. Really am. Just taking this all in now. By the way, that says a lot right there as well. The Halloween Horror Nights tribute store decor is up. Really cool. Kind of like it a lot. Torture Fair. Lots have been decorated with crows now. And I do have the extended queue out for Mommy now for HHN. It does get busy. Oh wow. There's a lot of new stuff too as well. Got more down over here. And stuff turned off to the side. Be quiet, exit only. Buy a Quiet House food, a Quiet Place themed bar and restaurant right here. Here you go, here's the entrance. Got kind of like a barn theme here. Where to go into there as well, but you can't get in there now. Well, Fast and Furious is closed with Horror Nights right around the corner. I think we kind of all know what's coming here though. Also, Halloween Horror Nights team member preview is actually this Tuesday, and then they're doing something special on Thursday. That guests that paid an additional $300 to get Horror Nights early. Kind of curious to watch videos to see how they do that. Entering the Blumhouse zone. By the way, Shea Alcatraz is fully done and refurbished. I'm looking forward to this zone a lot. Because I heard new stuff was added. Oh, here's the purge. A reminder, law enforcement service will be suspended for 12 hours during the purge. I look forward to this zone a lot. I'm kind of curious. I don't think the Peacock Park is coming here this year. So I'm kind of curious to know if they are doing anything back here with the bar. This was popular last year, made the money. Figure they would have brought something back anyway. Kind of looking forward to see what the menus look like. Kind of like a heavy theme kind of wanted thing with Fanta. Sometime during the weekend, they should put up the Halloween Nightmare, the Nightmare show that's coming here. Probably the last one. Who knows? And we do walk right here. Looks like maybe 2 house entrances. I'm unsure, but you got 2 TVs here, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. Another house location. And then the Coca-Cola's refill station is down for refurbishment. Should be back open soon. You can say nothing as many times as you want. There's a house going to be sitting right here near the Simpsons ride. We're going somewhere backstage right there. Other than that, yeah. Pretty odd to see that. Duffman says 8 days. Oh. Duffman, he knows it's only 8 days away. We have a food booth out now, and this is to help out some of the other stands. You get guests that just want to grab something to eat or drink on the go, so you can hit up the houses. We have another little food stand here. Oh, we're back at Cary for a Cary drive-in. Look at that. I like this. It's now showing too. Some fryers. Oh my god. I see popcorn. It's going to be cool. Looking forward to this right here now. And the one thing that I was curious to know about, if they're gonna have a house entrance near DreamWorks or E.T.'s Adventures. I don't see a house entrance, not whatsoever, over here. But I guess that's why there was one over by Springfield entrance. And I guess they're gonna have this area all closed off. That also means that the DreamWorks Imagination Cafe will be closed. And we're coming up onto the Shrek Scare Zone. We're in. See some gators right there. I mean, they're not gators. Somebody left their laundry out. I also want to point out, believe it's that one right there. Not too long ago, or yesterday, there was a really bad storm. Like a really bad storm. Where I guess the winds were just horrible. Like, if I can find the photo of it, I'll show it to you. It's one of these two had actually just fallen over. But I figured it would be up by now. But if I can find a photo, I will try to share it with you guys. So where people were like to sit, the bar did show up, and it's now here. Both sides. It looks like there's gonna be plenty of viewing stuff. Plenty of stuff to see and do now. But also, it looks like they're also getting ready for the Mega Movie Parade. Not really trying to draw a big audience here, but it looks like a couple of props came out, and it looks like they probably could have been testing just to make sure that they do bypass the little station floats right here for Hollywood Hornets. I'm kind of like on both sides there as well. But Creature from the Black Lagoon. And they do got some new Halloween Horror Nights merchandise in sale for here. That is new. Maybe next year we can hope for a Black Lagoon house. Last order exclusive Mel's Dying shirt. Goes in the dark. $33.99. $33 even. If I can get this to open up. Again, this is exclusive pass holder shirt. And pin. The Chucky popcorn bucket is back as well. I'm gonna guess probably for the same price as last year, which was $44. I don't see it, but I'm sure it's gonna be like $44 from last year as well. Okay, so I'm actually inside the Universal Studios store in City Walk. Here's the popcorn bucket one more time. It is $43.99 plus tax. I have it at my house, or back at my place, and I'll show you guys, but I do have it. Got the Hello Kitty Chucky here, the shirt for the Hello Kitty Chucky. It's weird that they do this. Unsure why they do this, but. And then you got Universal Monsters as Minions as Universal Monsters. Okay. Just gotta give you guys a hint where you guys can find them if you guys are looking at it and interested. So you get the lighting trust here, and it's not called the Dead Coconut this year. Oh wait, it's just a Dead Coconut Club featuring Blumhouse. Vampire wise, it's been a long day. Pretty cool to see this. So here is my Chucky popcorn bucket that I do have. they're really cool. It is different from last year to this year, so it's just the face. And with that being said, this Friday is the opening night for Halloween Horror Nights, unless you're paying the $300 to go on Thursday night, which is a limited ticketed event. So be alert. If you go Thursday, have a great time. If you go Friday, have an amazing time. I will be there Friday night. I've been craving a beer for a while, so Mich Ultra is one I normally go for. Light on calories and light on carbs. Whew. I'm going to sign off and cheers to you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.